All right, let's talk a little bit about websites and why it's a main sales tool for you. Your website isn't just a brochure, it's your sales tool, it's your digital front door. It's how people interact with you digitally, and there's so many different ways you can improve your process and how you want to be refined. So, let's dive in a little bit into some tips that we focus on when building websites for our clients. First, 5-second homepage test. This is essentially what we are giving ourselves as a standard when we're working with our clients' websites. 5 seconds. What do you do? Who is it for? And what should they do next? This is a constant thing that we're saying to ourselves and how we can help people articulate it when you look at their homepage. Simple, to the point, effective. Then they can dig a little bit deeper if they want more. But first, you want to make sure you're accomplishing this. Second, something we always need to remind ourselves is clarity over cleverness. Keep it simple, to the point. Use simple words. Make it easy for people to understand. Don't make people think. People don't want to think. They just want the information. They want to know, is it for them and how they take action. So a quick thing that we can help, how we help people is we guide, don't distract. So don't make it difficult for CTA buttons. Okay, make it simple, consistent, to the point. So all your main buttons across the page should be the same. You can have a secondary button, but make sure those are all the same. Overwhelming drop-down menus, you got to design it right. Make sure that it works and it's efficient. And then images that have no meaning. So that's an interesting one, making sure that it makes sense and it's not just a bunch of stock and AI stuff. Like, have meaning, have focus. You only have a limited amount of time in your homepage, your top core, your top navigation pages. You want to focus on those, making sure it's clear and to the point. And to take one step further, go to Google Analytics, use that data on what people are spending so you know kind of where you want people to spend their time. And then you can reorganize your top nav for those pages. Okay, so consistency sells. We talked a little bit about this. So one, primary CTA, to the point, consistent over time. People will see it throughout the site. Action verbs, so telling people what to do. Back to that last slide, guiding people through it. Repeat, 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 repeat. This is something I need to remember as well. So much of this I need to remember. Okay, before and after website breakdown, as we think about the last couple slides, fancy homepage video, compared to a clear headline and to the point with simple words. No CTA above the fold versus a nice, clean, simple CTA, and then vague about us content or maybe too much content compared to social proof. And you need to have content on your website. You need to have SEO friendly content. So as the search engines and the AI engines are searching, they can find you, but those can be in secondary, third level pages that support your main core pages. So my weekly challenge for myself is we're going to go back, we're going to look at Matic.com, and I know Matic.com right here is better websites, better business. But for who? So that's where we need to focus on. We have a couple of verticals. Sports, technology, trades, manufacturing, nonprofits. So we focus on those 5 verticals, but it's not very obvious on the homepage, but we're okay with that. We want people to know that we focus on websites and how it's going to affect your business. And then the secondary would be the industry. And of course, the call to action would be up here at the top. Get started, schedule a meeting, drop us go through our process and really understand what is next. Thank you for this quick video on empowering brand growth through cohesive sales and marketing strategies. Websites are our core offering here. We'd love to help you. So click on the link below and schedule an assessment with us, and let's figure out how we can help your business.